Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a donation website in WordPress. The platform that I'll be using to create my WordPress website will be infinityfree.net, as you can create a free WordPress website using this platform without using a credit card or anything like that. First, you're going to tap on sign up now. Once you have selected sign up now, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to add your email address and also create a password page. And from here, you're going to add your subdomain, or better yet, your domain name. So for this example, I will name this platform Donation X. Then from here, you can add your domain extension that you would like to use. After you have selected your domain extension, you're going to tap on check availability. So they are going to check if that domain name is available. Once it is available, you're going to scroll down, and from here you can create an account password, or you can leave empty to generate a random one. Then you'll tap on create account. After your account has been created, what I want you to do next is tap on Open Control Panel. After you have selected Open Control Panel, you will be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on I approve. Once you have selected I approve, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, I want you to scroll down real quick, and you're going to scroll down until you see software, and you're going to select this option right here, as with this option we'll be able to install WordPress. Once on this page, you're going to tap on install WordPress. After you have installed WordPress, you are going to scroll down, and from here you are going to add an admin username, and you can also create an admin password. So let me create an admin username real quick. Then from here you can create a password. After you have created your password, you are going to scroll down and you can select any one of these templates. It doesn't matter, as you can change the template in the future if you want. And you're going to tap on select theme. After you have done that, you're going to tap on install, and then you'll scroll up, and within a few seconds your WordPress website will be ready. Just give it a few seconds. As you can see, this normally takes between 3 to 4 minutes. Once it has been installed, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to tap right where you see administrative URL, and it will lead you into your new WordPress website. And from here, all I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see plugins, you're going to tap on add new. After selecting add new, I want you to tap on the search bar, and from here you're going to type in donation. So let's type in donation real quick. Then you're going to tap on enter. After typing in donation, what I want you to select is right where you see give WP. You're going to tap on install. Once you have installed it, you are going to also tap on activate to activate the new plugin. Once you have selected activate, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and we're going to tap on start setup. Then you can select any one of these 3 options, whether you're an individual, or I'm fundraising within an organization, or other. For this example, I will select individual. Then what are you fundraising for? And you can select any one of these options. So I'll select, for this example, environmental. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you can join a group if you want, or I'll select skip join community. After doing that, you can select the country. For this example, I will leave it at United States. Then you can also select the state or province. So I'll quickly select a state. Then you can select the currency. After doing that, you are going to tap on continue. Then from here, you can add the features that you would like it to have. So for example, you can select donation goal. You can also select donation comments if you want, and you can add terms and condition. And also if you want to allow persons to make donations offline, you could select that. And also if you would like to accept anonymous donations, you could select that. And also company donations, if you want, you could select that. Then you are going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can see a preview of your donation page as it's gradually building it right here in the left hand window. And here we'll be able to see how it will look, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on donate now, we can see how the second page will look, as you can see there. Then you'll tap on continue. And from here, the person would be able to add their first and last name and also their email address. And if they want, they can leave a comment also. And you can see right there, agree to terms. And you'll also see, then they'll tap on donate now. If it is to your liking, you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, if you would like any one of these fields, for example, if you would like to allow recurring donation, you could select them. And also PDF receipts, if you want, you can select any one of these options. But mind you, these options on this second page, you'll have to be a paid subscriber to use them. So for this example, I'll simply tap on continue, as I want this to be completely free. Once you are finished, you'll be led to this page, and this will show you the different gateways on which you'll connect to accept payments, or better yet, to accept donations. So for example, you could connect your PayPal, and you could also connect Stripe. If you would like to connect another payment gateway, you'll tap on view all payment gateways. Then it will open this page, and from here you can see the other payment gateways that are available, and you can select any one of these payment gateways, as you can see right here. But for this example, I would select PayPal. So let me go back and select PayPal. So I'll tap on connect to PayPal. After you have selected connect to PayPal, you'll scroll down, and from here you could select your country. Then from here, I'll tap on connect to PayPal, and I would simply add my PayPal email address and so on. And after doing that, you'll tap on save changes. After you have done all of the connection, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and you'll tap on all forms. After selecting all forms, you can see my form right here, the donation form that I had created. And all you'll have to do now, for example, if you would like to view it, you could tap on view. And you can see how the donation form looks right here. And that's it. So if someone wants to donate, all they have to do is tap on donate now.